Okay, we were up near Arietta, Piseco area. We were at Brereton Pothole Falls. It's a little bit off the beaten path. Color is not too bad. But look at this nice little waterfall area. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Well, hello everybody. It is October 14th. Yesterday was Friday the 13th. And I'm here just on the edge of Arietta, Piseco area. And I have to look at my map. I am at a really cool waterfall. We've already kind of posted some pictures in the video along here. But at a campsite. Look at this campsite. I'm going to travel further down the road, but why bother? I'm going to go out that way tomorrow. So looking at the map, the road leaves the water, so might as well just hang out right here. Got an amazing campsite, amazing views. Temperatures are great. Fall colors are starting to fade a little bit. But somehow, always look out and get in these campsites. And this is a horrible way to spend a day. I'll take the hit for the group. Yeah. All right, very nice. It's gonna be like 38 degrees tonight, possibly a little bit more chillier, getting down to freezing. No wind right here at the moment. No people. Solitude. Cascading waterfalls. Campsite is right next to this. Can't go wrong with that.